This is Kristi from the STEAM Center. We just wanted to let you know about a new challenge that we have. It's a coin challenge, and what we're doing for the month of July is we are collecting coins for the STEAM Center. So each of us here has our own bucket. So if you want to bring in some change to drop in the bucket, the person with the most money on August 1st, when we have our back to school event, is going to end up being involved in an ice bucket challenge. And so I'm pretty sure that it's probably going to be Jodi. But anyways, whoever has the most money, they are going to have to get a bucket of ice water dumped over them. It's going to be a great event. So August 1st from 3 to 7 p.m. we're going to have a back to school event here at the STEAM Center where we're going to be giving away school supplies, just having a great kickoff for the start of the new school year. So for the month of July, if you come and you have some extra change in your pocket, or kids, if you go home and rummage through the couch cushions or look underneath the seats in your mom and dad's car, or sometimes they might even have a little coin thing going on in their car, grab a handful of change and come and give it to the person that you want to watch get ice water poured over them. So anyway, I'm going to turn it over to Miss Nikki to make a statement because she needs some more money. So she's going to be asking
Kristi is low, guys. Get some in there.
She's going to say, hey, I'm Nikki. Can you please put some more money in my bucket? So anyway,
she loves ice water.
Nikki.
Hi, I'm Nikki. Please put some more money in Kristi's bucket. What? So we can dump ice water on it.
Hey, I think that the quiet one here in the middle that hasn't said anything, she needs some more money in her bucket.
I've got enough.
But anyway, we
it all goes
appreciate
to a
you.
good cause.
It does. It goes to a good cause. We're going to have super fun with it. Love you guys. We appreciate you. We've had an amazing summer so far. We got some great classes coming up in July, so check the website at mesquiteworks.org. Get your kids, tell your parents to register you. We have some fun classes. If you have any questions, let us know. And again, we're here Monday through Thursday from 9:30 to 5. We do close from 12 to 1 for lunch, but we hope to see you guys here where you can cool off and have a great time.
Yeah. See you soon.
Thank you.